Most people think abundance is something you create, something you attract, or something you finally reach one day. But what if abundance isn't something you get? What if it's something you just notice? Because here's the truth, you can have more and still feel like it's not enough. Or you can have less and feel completely at ease. It all comes down to one thing, what your attention is trained to see. If your brain is always looking for problems, it will always find lack, even in a good life. Let's say you achieve something, then your mind will say, okay, but what's next? Or you get what you wanted, and then suddenly it just feels normal. So the issue isn't your life, it's the way your attention moves through it. Abundance isn't loud, problems are loud. That's why they get your attention. So maybe the shift here isn't how do I get more, but what am I not noticing? That's already enough. Right now, look around you, not for what's missing, but for what's already here. Something simple like the space you're in, or a moment of quiet, or the fact that nothing is wrong right now. That is abundance. But if you're not looking for it, you won't see it. So today, don't chase more, just notice what's already here. So if this message resonates with you, don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay magical and may the wealth flow to you.